First of all, you get a free fat quarter bundle bag.
Whoa, nice.
With this package, which
nice. Fat quarter bundle.
It's my new favorite thing, guys. It's my new favorite thing. But I'm going to show you what's included in the package, and then we're going to talk about them all just a little bit. So first of all, you get our Glow Mini Light Board, which is our smallest and lightest Glow Mini board. It comes with a similar, same translucent cutting mat with a grid on it. It comes with that. It comes with our mini flip and fold 36. So that is included as well.
24 by 36, guys.
We're going to show you how that works in just a minute.
Mini.
Yes,
Yep.
we're going to show you that. It comes with the storage tote bag to carry it all because this is our travel bundle. So it comes with our little bag that carries it all. It also comes with 2 magnets. Now, we don't usually have the magnets in our bundles.
No.
So it comes with
everybody was like, why aren't they just part of it? Built into this bundle.
It's built into this bundle. You're getting the magnets. You're getting 2 of them. You can always add more if you want, but it comes with the 2 of them.